Today we're making flavorful beans jollof rice. This is not your average rice and beans. It's rich, spicy, and made the Ghanaian way. I'll be showing you how to prepare it from scratch. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Here I share easy and amazing recipes right here. So all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, wear your apron and let's start cooking. For the stew base, I'm going to be using my already made Zongo stew. If you haven't seen that recipe yet, I have already uploaded it on the channel, so please check it out after watching this video, or I will leave the link to this video in the description box for you to check it out. So I will start by cooking my beans. I'm using black eyed peas or beans today, but you can use any beans you prefer. First, wash it thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt, and once that is done, I'll go in with enough water to allow the beans cook properly. Next, I'll also go in with a blend of garlic, ginger, and onion, and this is going to give that beautiful aroma and flavor right from the start. Don't forget to also add in salt right now. Yes, we don't want to waste time in anything. Cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Yes, after about 25 minutes the beans is ready and 90% done. Now once the beans are well cooked, drain any excess water and set them aside. So in a clean cooking pot, I'll pour in a generous amount of my already prepared Zongo stew. Remember, this stew is already packed with tomatoes, pepper, onion, seasoning and spice, so it's the perfect shortcut for the jollof, trust me. Heat the stew on medium heat until it's bubbling gently. But for this rice and beans jollof, I also want to have that rich coconut flavor in it, so I'll go in with some organic coconut oil. You can also omit this totally and you are good to go. Then add your cooked beans into the stew and stir well, making sure every bean is coated in that rich spicy sauce. At this stage, taste and adjust your seasoning. Add salt or seasoning cubes if needed, but it was just perfect at this time. So all that is left is for us to allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the beans to soak up all the tasty or the rich flavors in the stew. Alright, so after about 2 to 3 minutes, I have to check it up and it wasn't ready, so allow it to cook again for about 5 minutes and it was just perfect. Once your beans and stew are well combined, pour in your washed rice and stir everything together so the rice absorbs that beautiful color and flavor. Add enough water or stock to cook the rice. Remember, we want it soft but not soggy, so measure carefully. Okay, so the salt wasn't enough as well, so I needed to add in a little bit of salt. Always taste before you add in your salt. Okay, stir everything together very nicely and we're going to cover the pot and allow the rice to cook on low to medium heat and let the rice cook slowly, steaming in all that flavor. Check the pot after about 10 minutes if the liquid is almost gone but the rice is still a bit firm. Add a splash of hot water, cover again and let it steam. Avoid stirring too often because this can break the grains and make the rice gummy. Patience is key here, alright? You want the rice to cook evenly whilst absorbing all the seasonings from the stew and beans. So this is a quick check after 10 minutes and as you can see the rice is coming together very nicely, and that's what we're looking for. We're going to give it a gentle stir, and afterwards I'll cover it again on low heat for about 10 minutes again, and I'll check it. Whilst that is going on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And don't forget to share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Now, after stirring the rice gently, I'll cover it again for about 10 minutes, and from there we will proceed to our next stage. Whilst we checking on our jollof rice, let me tell you why you should make beans jollof. It's a complete meal in one pot. Protein from the beans, energy from the rice, and loads of flavor from the stew. It keeps you full for hours, so it's perfect for busy days or feeding the whole family. Beans are also super healthy. They are high in fiber, great for digestion, and packed with plant-based protein. And the best part, this meal is budget friendly, using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. So with bean jollof, you get flavor, nutrients, and savings all in one delicious dish. Trust me, you don't need to miss out this deliciousness. All you have to do is to trust the process and you are good to go. Now for a beautiful color, and not just the color, is also going to add a very delicious and nice taste to the jollof rice. I'll be adding in some scallions, carrots, and also a little bit of cabbage. Everything I'm writing right here is totally optional. Kindly feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Now also add in some butter for that extra richness. You can also omit it, but trust me, it adds additional and amazing taste to the jollof rice. You don't need to omit it at all. Now let's stir everything together very nicely and very gently as well, and we're going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, and it should be ready. Just like that, your beans jollof rice is ready. The rice is soft and fluffy, the beans are tender and full of flavor, and the color, oh my god, this is deep and vibrant. It's just giving everything it's supposed to give. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing and absolutely delicious beans jollof rice recipe. I hope you're going to try, and I'll be very glad in the comment section to read all your amazing comments down below. I served mine with a simple dandelion salad, and trust me, it was the best. I also enjoyed this with some of my protein in the stew. You can also enjoy with any meat of your choice, and you are good to go. As you can see, I am really enjoying myself right here. Alright, so thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today, and I hope you're going to try. Thank you, and see you in my next upload. Bye.